Fabaceae, Mimosaceae. The plants of this family almost exclusively tropical or subtropical in distribution. The family is represented by about 40 genera. Most members exhibit xeromorphic characteristics. The most common genera are Acacia nilotica, Kikar, Mimosa pudica, Lajwanti, Prosopis, Albizia lebec, Chiron, etc. Distinguish features: shrubs or tree, pinnate compound leaves, stipules are modified into thorns, inflorescence is spiked, head, flower hermaphrodite, actinomorphic, hypogynous, calyx 5 united, corolla 5 united, stamen numerous, ovary is with single carpel, fruit is a legume. The representative species is Acacia nilotica, Kikar or Babul.
Acacia nilotica, Kikar or Babul. Habit: a medium-sized evergreen spiny tree with dark brown bark. The bark yields gum. Stem: erect, cylindrical, branched, woody.
Leaf: colline and ramal. Stipulate: stipules modified into spines, bipinnately compound, pulvinous present at the base of leaf. Rachis possesses glands, pinnules, opposite, subsessile, oval. Reticulate unicostate, glabrous, inflorescence, a compound cymose head, flower, minute, abracteate, sessile, complete, actinomorphic, bisexual, hypogynous, yellow in color, calyx, 5 sepals, membranous, gomosepalous, campanulate, slightly petaloid, inferior, corolla, 5 petals, gomopetalous, tubular, petals yellow in color, inferior, androecium, stamens indefinite, polyandrous, filament long, anthers minute, bisfixed and yellow in color. Gynoecium, monocarpellary, ovary superior and analocular, placentation marginal, style long, stigma minute and capitate, floral formula, K, 5C, 5A Ananta G, 8. Economic importance of the family. The family is of great economic importance and ranks second, the first being Gramineae, source of pulses. The seeds of several plants yield all the various pulses like mung, mash, arhar, beans, grams and peas etc., which are commonly used as foodstuffs, being rich in proteins and starches. Source of timber. Many trees yield excellent timber, e.g., acacia, dalbergia, bohenia, gassia, tamarind and prosopis. Source of oil. Some plants like Arachis groundnut yield oil and seeds which are edible. Groundnut oil, when hydrogenated, yields vegetable ghee. Source of vegetables. Several plants afford vegetables, e.g., pisum, mattar, vigna, lobia, glycine, soybean, trigonella, methe, visha, bakla, dolichos, same, medicago, methi. Fodder crop. Most of them are used as chief fodder crops, e.g., melilotus, senji, medicage, mena, visha, bakla, etc. Source of dyes. Some yield valuable dyes, indigofera, neil, hematoxylin, and acacia. The bark of the latter yields tannin used in leather tanning. Source of gum arabica. Gum arabica is obtained from the bark of Acacia arabica and A. Senegal, Katha is obtained from Acacia catechu. Source of fibers. Grotolaria juncer, sun hemp and other species yield fibers for rope making. Ornamental plant. Many are cultivated as ornamental plants in the gardens and planted along the roadside, e.g., Lithyrus odoratus, sweet pea, Parkinsonia, Gisalpinia, pointiana, bohenias and cashews. Some species of glatoria and lupins are also grown in the gardens for their flowers. Source of lac. The lac insect is often bred on beauty and Carcinus spp. Source of manure. Many of the leguminous herbs and shrubs are used as green manure, clover. Source of fertility. The presence of nitrifying in their root nodules contributes to the fertility of the soil, and this accounts for their frequent use in the rotation of the crops. Source of medicine. Some plants yield medicine, e.g., Cassia fistula amultas, the pulp of which acts as a purgative. Rosaceae, Rosa indica, rose gulab. The Rosaceae family consists of about 115 genera and 3,200 species. The members of the family are worldwide in distribution, such as rose gulab, Rosa indica. They are found in temperate and cold regions. The family is important for its valuable fruit plants and beautiful and fragrant flowers. The common representative genera are Rosa indica, Gulab, Prunus spp, Badam, Kubani, Alu Bokhara, Pyrus communis, Nashpati, Areobatria japonica, Lucate, Fragaria, Strawberry potentilla, a medicinal plant, and Malice p. Distinguishing features: herb, shrubs or tree, stipulate alternate simple or compound leaves, flower hermaphrodite, actinomorphic, hypo or perigynous, calyx 5 united, Corolla 5 too many, stamen numerous, ovary is with single too many carpels.
The representative species is Rosa indica, gulab rose, Rosa indica, gulab rose, habita prickly climbing shrub. The flowers are a source of an essential oil, oil of roses. Rutha root, branched, stem erect, branched, prickly. Leaf collen and rummel, stipulate, stipules adnate the petiole, emparapenately compound, riches bears prickles. Leaflet stalked, ovate, serrate margins, reticulate unicostate.
Inflorescence cymose solitary terminal or axillary, flower bracteatic bracts really persistent pedicellate, complete, actinomorphic, bisexual, perigynous, flowers, yellow, red, white or pink calyx 5 sepals, gomosepalous, tubular, inferior, corolipatals 5 2 indefinite, polypetalis, rosaceous, colored, scented, inferior, andrecium stamens indefinite, polyandrous, anthus base affixed, inferior, gynoecium polycarpellary, apocarpus, ovary superior with a single ovule. Placentation basal, stigma terminal, ovule solitary, floral formula, K5C ananta ananta G ananta.
Economic importance of the family. This cosmopolitan family is very rich in its contribution to the pleasure and welfare of mankind. Source of fruits: it includes apples, pears, quinces, peaches, apricots, almond, strawberries, blackberries, raspberries and several other edible fruits which are of immense values. Ornamental plants: several beautiful flowering shrubs belong to this family, especially the roses.
Source of gulkand: thick petals of rose have a purgative property and are used in the manufacture of gulkand, a laxative. Source of perfume: many kinds of scents obtained from various species of rose etc. Source of medicine: gulab, rose water, is used as medicine for eye diseases. Bitter and astringent: the root and bark of some plants are bitter and astringent. Poison: several members abound in an acrid berry juice which is more or less narcotic in its effect in the animal framework. Among these, the most important is conium, hemlock part of plant, especially the fresh leaves and green fruits contain a volatile oily alkali called conine, which is so poisonous that a few drops soon prove fatal to small animals. It acts on the nervous system and is a valuable medicine in small doses in cancerous and nervous diseases. Several British species, especially of Oenanthe, cicuta and etusa, are also poisonous and their fleshy roots are very deadly to all kinds of livestock and have many times been fatal to man.